years we had no load shedding at all. So under MK, will that be your priority to end load shedding?
Absolutely. And they would never, and there should have been no load shedding. Load shedding was started deliberately by people who wanted to do business in their own way. And I got to know about it, and I stopped it. And I brought people who could act and stop it, and they stopped it. And I made a statement then that there will never be load shedding. And there was supposed to be no load shedding up to now. The people who came back, they wanted it because, as people say, they did not want to use the things we are using for their own businesses. So they wanted to use the kind of business that is going to grow their companies. Yeah. That is what has happened. I had stopped that, and I've made a statement it will never be there. It was not going to be there. What they did, they chased the people who were doing this, removed them from those companies, actually wanted to arrest them.
Sure. Baba, what is your message to hundreds of thousands of ANC members that have left the party ever since you have